welcome back to my page, my channel, everyone. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today's workout is going to be focusing on sliders. So if you guys don't have one, you guys can order one from Amazon. I believe is where I ordered mine. I think they're about like $10 to $15. I can't remember because I bought it 2 years ago. I'm just going to focus on that. Sliders for me are super hard. It's kind of like resistance in a way for me. We're just going to show you a few things that I like to do with the sliders, and maybe you can add it into your workout routine. Please make sure you subscribe, you like the video if you actually like the video, and please turn on post notifications as well so you get notified when I post. Let's get into it. We don't have all day, right? Let's go. Okay, so you know I have to hit you with some dance moves. You can put it into your dance routines. Just make sure you shout me out. So this workout, I just want to call it the lying foot bend. Why not? So this workout will definitely work out on your glutes. You want to make sure that when you are coming up off the ground, that your back is not curved. Your back is straight and you're trying to go as high in the air as possible. You don't want to be too low from the ground because you won't feel it. And make sure your core is engaged as well. I know I'm giving you a lot of things to remember, but as long as you can feel your core engaged and you're higher up the ground, you're actually going to feel the workout and you're going to feel it working after, 3 or 4 sets. Make sure you guys are hydrated and drinking water. You do not want to be dehydrated while working out. So this workout, and I don't even want to find a name for it because I feel like crying when I do this workout. I hate doing arm workouts, and doing this workout, I had to keep doing it over and over again because I was falling. Super difficult. Okay, for me at least, because you're holding your body while, pushing your hand forward on the slides. I was definitely shaking like a runaway slave. But yeah, let me know in the comments below how you guys are feeling after you do it. Now, baby, this slider workout. When I tell you that your legs, especially like your hamstrings, your quads, your booty will be on fire, it will have you speaking parler like comme ci comme ça. Like that's what my body was saying to me afterwards. But when people see that new body, they're gonna be speaking in French too, okay? Like your lower half, looking like a snack after you do this workout. Looking like a snack after you do this workout. So this workout right here, it's definitely going to target those obliques, which is your love handles. Definitely, I would say do some leg workouts first before you do the arm workouts with the sliders, only because if you do a lot of arm workouts beforehand and then you try to hold yourself up, for me personally, I found that my arms were like jello. So if you can mix it up, or just maybe take a longer rest period instead of maybe taking like 1 minute, take 2 minutes, that way your arms can rest. But yeah, we're gonna have those love handles gone, okay? So this weighted lunge with the slider workout, definitely gonna target your core. I would say for me personally, I feel like it targets my love handles, obliques, and then definitely your legs and your bum. The weights add an extra resistance, I find, to it. So you definitely want to make sure that you are going low when you are doing your lunge, and just making sure that you are trying to squeeze as well, get that blood flowing to that booty or to your muscles, you know what I mean? Then I hit you with the blackout. So this workout, man, when I first seen it on Instagram, because I follow a lot of people that work out, I said, I'm trying this, and my abs were crying afterwards. So obviously with a good diet and exercise, your abs are gonna be like creak, 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 creak when they see it. So this workout, baby, if you are looking for that ab definition, this is the workout for you. You guys made it. I'm so excited. I'm a sweaty mess, but I hope you guys enjoyed the workout. These are just like a few things. If you guys are still in quarantine, if where you are living, the gyms are still closed, these are like a little things, or these are some little things you can do to just keep yourself motivated through those times until the gyms open. I'm just really tired, but please make sure you are resting as well too, because that's when you are going to grow. Like your butt is going to grow. If anything, you're just going to get these gains by resting. Make sure you catch my next video, probably coming in 2 weeks, because I'm going to try and upload every 2 weeks because 1 week is just too crazy for me. Please like, share with people that you know are going through a weight loss or a weight gain journey. Please turn on post notifications. And thank you for watching. You'll see me next 2 weeks. Bye. Have a good day.